Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about neurodegenerative disorder, and in this we will discuss about Alzheimer disease. It is a neurodegenerative disorder which affects us in old age in our 60s and 70s. Aging is one of the primary factor for it. It is a progressive disease that means the condition of patient will worse with time. There are many treatments available to slow down its progression. In this disorder, loss of neurons occur in temporal and parietal lobes of our brain and enlargement in ventricles of brain with loss of brain mass. It affects the cognition. It is most common type of dementia. In this, a continuous decline in thinking, behavioral and social skills occur that affects a person's ability to function independently. In whole world, approximately 50 million people with dementia between 60 and 70% are estimated to have Alzheimer's disease. Most common signs are forgetfulness, find it difficult to recognize even close people. Person with this disorder develops severe memory loss and find it difficult to carry out everyday tasks. Person with this disorder find it difficult to remember things and organize thoughts. Repeat questions and statements over and over. Get lost in places. Forget names of family members or even objects. Find it difficult to express thoughts or to start conversations. Cause difficulty concentrating and thinking. Find it difficult to deal with numbers. A visible decline in ability to make decisions in everyday situations. Person with this disorder may wear clothes that would be inappropriate for weather. And if it worse, then patient often forget how to perform basic tasks such as dressing and bathing. It also affects on person's mood and behavior. These may include mood swings, social withdrawal, change in sleeping pattern, wandering, distrust in others, mood swings, apathy, delusions, irritability, aggression. The exact cause of this disorder is not fully understood yet. However, scientists believe that it is caused by a combination of lifestyle, genetic, and environmental factors that affect the brain over time. About in 1% patient, it is caused by specific genetic changes. With time and age, our brain proteins fail to work normally, which disrupts the brain cells and trigger a series of toxic events. Neurons are damaged and lose connections and eventually die. In this disorder, a protein that is responsible for neuron internal support and transport nutrients and other essential material called tau protein changes its shape and organize themselves into a tangles called neurofibrillary tangles, which disrupt transport system and are toxic for brain cells. Risk factors, family history and genetics. If a family member have this disorder, then the chances are higher in you to develop Alzheimer's disease in older age. Age is greatest non-risk factor for this disorder. As you grow older, the chances to develop this disorder may increase. In a study, it has been noted that for new diagnoses between age 65 to 74, 32 diagnoses per 1000 people aged between 75 to 84 and 76 per 1000 people from age 85 and older. More women are prone to have this disorder because women live longer than men. Down syndrome. People with Down syndrome in early age are prone to develop Alzheimer's disease at older age, and it tend to appear 10 to 20 years earlier in them. People with mild cognitive impairment have more chances to develop this disorder. Prevention. Healthy lifestyle choices that can reduce the risks of having Alzheimer's disease. Exercising regularly. Eating a healthy diet, foods low in saturated fats. Avoiding alcohol and smoking. Follow treatment guidelines to manage symptoms of high blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol. Create a safe and supportive environment for person with Alzheimer. Make sure of regular appointments on same day and same time. Remove excessive furniture. Keep medication in secure place at home so they don't lost. A calm and stable family environment can help reduce behavior problems. Provide support and do your best to help the person retain self-respect and dignity. So this was our today's video. Share your valuable thoughts in comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe our channel. Up till next video, take care.